we talk about how can you pay gift cards on your Wolt app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on profile down here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Click on your photo profile here. So then it, or we will go back, sorry. You click here on gift cards and credits, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you just click on pay gift card. Just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. And here can you select uh, your gift cards and price here or amounts. So then you just click here, you fill all this, you add here your make it personal here, click on continue, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.